Yo, what's going on, everyone? We're back at it with another Prize Picks and Sleeper video. So let's go ahead. Let's give y'all a two-man Prize Picks play and a two-man Sleeper play to go ahead and make some money today on Pi Day, March 14th, right? So let's go ahead and let's get to it, man. Yesterday's day went like this. So if you're on the VIP, I apologize, man. I got the plays out super late yesterday. Past 7 p.m. Central Time. So, that's on me. I had a crazy busy day, but I was still able to get them out, and I sent out these two winners, man. These two winners, these are literally the only plays I sent out on the VIP, but they ended up cashing for us, man. So I guess I'm not too sorry, right? Because we ended up cashing these, right? We took Clint Capella to go over 22.5 points plus rebounds, Anthony Davis to go under 3.5 offensive rebounds, and then LeBron James to go under 19.5 field goals attempted, and then Murray to get more than 1.5 blocks plus steals, man. These plays were money. All right, so let's go ahead. And of course, unfortunately, the free YouTube play that I sent out could not cash, but we also have this play riding right now that we took on Tuesday. Cal Anderson to go over his points and assists, Malik Monk to go over 5 assists, and James Harden on his Pi Day to get more than 3.14 points, man. So let's go ahead. Let's go on over and let's show y'all the first play that we have for today. The first play is on Sleeper, man. So if y'all don't have Sleeper, make sure you download the Sleeper app using my code DSP. They will give you 100% deposit match up to $500, man, just for using my code. And on top of that, if you text the phone number down in the description down below, I will go ahead and give you 1 month free of my VIP, man. 1 month free of my VIP, and you're gonna go ahead just by downloading an app. So let's go ahead. Let's go on over to the Sleeper play, and this is what we have for y'all today. Josh Hart over 4.5 assists, as well as Devin Booker over 1.5 3-pointers made. This Devin Booker line at over 1.5 3-pointers made is not available on PrizePicks. Actually, it is. It's only available as a goblin, but I really like it. That's how I went over to Sleeper and blocked it in on Sleeper instead. So D Book over 1.5 3-pointers made going up against Boston. Josh Hart over 4.5 assists going up against Portland. So let's go ahead, lock in this play, and let's go to playerpropshop.com. That's literally where I get all my plays. So the link for this website is in the description down below. They're literally giving you 1 week free, and all you have to do is add a week subscription to your cart and use code PropShop at checkout. Simple as that, man. To get your 1 week completely free, add a week subscription to your cart and use code PropShop at checkout. So these are literally experts that are making all these player props for us. That way we don't have to spend so much time and energy doing the research, man. They have a 1 day, 1 month, 1 week, and a 1 year access pass. I'm on the 1 year access pass because this site is pretty badass. And we go over here, you can see they got daily player props, NFL, NBA, college basketball, MLB, NHL, and even golf, man. So let's go on over. Let's go and see why we like the plays that we like. So the first one we took is Devin Booker over 1.5 3-pointers made. And give me 1 second. So Devin Booker over 1.5 3-pointers made. You can see here. So on the season, Booker's dropping in 2.2 triples on 5.8 attempts per game. This is a good matchup for Booker, as the Celtics have given up three threes per game to opposing point guards this year. That's the highest allowed in the NBA this season. That is insane, man. I'm gonna read that one more time. Man, the Celtics have given up 3 threes per game to opposing point guards this year. That's the highest allowed in the NBA this season. If that doesn't tell you that Devin Booker over 1.5 3-pointers made is the play for the day today, then I don't know what will, man. Because this play is at minus 166. And over the last 25 games, the Suns have played at the 5th most up-tempo pace, which should lead to plenty of opportunities for Booker to get that over 1.5 3-pointers made. And then we, of course, this I combined it with Josh Hart over 4.5 assists. This is a play I came up with myself, man, just because Josh Hart over 4.5 assists. If we go on over to PrizePicks, you can see he's been cashing this lately pretty consistently. And going up against Portland, they do give up a lot of assists to opposing teams. So over 4.5 assists. Look at that. He got 10 against Philly. This dude got 10 against Philly, and he got 2 against Philly, and then he came out with 10, and then 4 against Orlando. So let's look for Josh Hart to get over that 4.5 assist mark, man. And I combined that with that player prop shot play of D Book over 1.5 3-pointers made. And then the next play that we have for y'all today is this one right here. Denny, and this is gonna be the PrizePicks play. Denny over 8.5 rebounds, man. Denny, this line is set at minus 143, and after a lackluster performance, even by their own standards against Memphis, Advita and his teammates are expected to bring more energy and hustle to their game in Houston, especially as they are not favored to win. Advita has emerged as one of the top rebounders for the Wizards, and with the Rockets missing their starting center, the opportunity for him to excel on the boards is amplified. Despite the Wizards' overall struggles with rebounding, Advita is consistently managing to secure rebounds. In fact, he has got 10 or more rebounds in 4 of his last 7 road games, man. 10 or more rebounds in 4 of his last 7 road games. Given the ongoing deficiencies at the center position for the Wizards, Advitas actively embraces this aspect of play, demonstrating his gritty forward mentality and the potential for him to achieve double-digit rebounds on most nights, man. So let's go ahead, let's go on over to PrizePicks and let's look up Denny over 8.5 rebounds. I really like that play, man. At minus 144, whatever it said. So we're gonna go ahead and lock the over or the more on that. You can see here, he got 4 against Memphis, 10 against Miami, 14, 7, and 11. So he hit this 3 of the last 5 games, averaging 9 in the last 5. So let's go ahead. Let's look for him to hit that average and more, man. So let's go ahead, over 8.5 rebounds for Denny. And then the next play that we have for y'all today is this one right here. We're going to go ahead and lock in KD over Kevin Durant over 27.5 points, man. And this one, man, this is a chef's kiss place because one, it's gonna be fun to watch KD go up against the Celtics, and number 2, the last time he went up against the Celtics this season, he dropped 45 points on them, man. So let's go ahead and let's lock in Kevin Durant over 27.5 points because for the season he's averaging 28 points on 37 minutes per game, and he's been shattering his season average as the playoffs draw nearer. In his last 7 games, Durant has averaged a massive 32 points and gone over this number 5 times. On the season, the Celtics have held opposing power forwards to 14 points per contest, but that really does not apply to KD because, like I just mentioned, he dropped 45 points on them in their last outing. So let's go ahead, let's go on over to PrizePicks and lock in or look up Kevin Durant in points with his point projection, and we're gonna lock in the more on that one. You can see KD has been crushing his point projection, 37, 45. Oh, look at that. March 9th against Boston, he dropped 45 points on them, man. He was on a mission there. So 45, 35, 35, and 20. So let's look for Kevin Durant to get that over 27.5 point projection. And we're going to go ahead and lock him in, combine him with Denny. And we're going to go ahead and put $20 or to go ahead and win $60 on that one, man. $20 to go ahead and win 60. Denny over 8.5. KD over 27.5 points. You can see I locked that in with y'all. So let's go ahead. Let's ride that play. And then let's go ahead and lock in this play as well. All right, everyone. Make sure you go to playerpopshop.com. The link is in the description down below. And make sure you go ahead, and if you don't have the Sleeper app, do me a favor, download the Sleeper app using my link. The link is also in the description down below, or just go ahead and use code DSP. And if you text the phone number in the comment section, I will go ahead and give you 1 month free of my VIP. All right, everyone. Those are the plays for today. Make sure you go ahead and lock them in. If y'all want to know where to go ahead and get my VIP, the website is winnable.com/DSP. Guess what? The link is in the description down below. Right, winnable.com/DSP. Get on my VIP and let's make some wins. All right, everyone, take care. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all when we're a little bit richer.